G'day, welcome back. So Happy New Year. Sorry it's been a while since I really made a video. Couple of reasons for that. One, it's summer, so I've been doing things with the family. Two, I've had some technical issues with the camera, so I've had to remake a load of videos, which is a real pain in the bum, but we'll get there. Lots of videos coming up. Lots has been happening here. So we've been doing work on the Morris, work on the Ute here has been a wee bit slow. I've got stuff to do on the Audi, and got lots of new tools that we need to kind of finish the review videos on once I've done some testing. And probably the biggest change, I sold a car and I bought a car, so one car from the fleet's gone and it's been replaced by something else. Videos on both coming up soon as well, and quite excited about all of those. A little bit sad to get rid of the car I got rid of, but what can you do? So we do have a mail call as well. It's been here a little while, but I've been away. You've been playing with jet boats and stuff, so here it is. It's come all the way from Bournemouth. Bournemouth? Yeah, Bournemouth. So Igor from the Cars Exposed channel sent something out before Christmas, and our post has been pretty shocking here recently, so didn't arrive till kind of January sometime. But thanks Igor, let's get it open and see what it is. Get the world's smallest multi-tool. Chop it open. Now if you haven't seen Igor's channel, Cars Exposed, check it out. He does some awesome stuff. He's kind of pretty good at repairing over replacing kind of things. Saves you a lot of money. Top guy. Interesting fact, he once bought a motorbike and he picked it up from my hometown, Malvern. Weird the stuff you kind of find out, but we got some chocolate, Lindor milk, those ones. I had some of these at work last Christmas, and they turned into a big pile of mush sat in the sun, but no, these ones haven't melted yet, so that's awesome. We're about 33 Celsius here. Yesterday it was flipping warm. What else we got? Oh, look at that. PG tips with a monkey. It's got a monkey on. So tea bags. We get PG tips here, but they're absolutely disgusting. These ones are really nice. New Zealand ones, disgusting. So what do we got? Oh, no. And these are the pyramid bags, which are so much better. Oh, look at that. And we got some Cars Exposed stickers. That's his channel. Check it out. We'll put links down below. So we got some external stickers and we got some window kind of stickers. I have to figure out where to put these. Well, one will go on the board over there, and we'll have to work out where these are going. We'll get there. And we've got a card. Christmas card. Sentences you wouldn't want to hear on Christmas Day. The dinner's ruined, but I've managed to save the sprouts. That's probably an English joke. Not sure, is that funny in America? About sprouts? Nobody likes sprouts. Sprouts makes a game. Oh, well, Merry Christmas Igor for last year and this year coming to you and the family. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Top channel. His channel's kind of exploded over the last few months. He's kind of about 770 subscribers when I looked this morning. He's doing really well. Get him to the 1,000 so he can start earning the big YouTube bucks. And yeah, but yeah, lots of tools. Oh, can I show you some of the tools? Quick look at the tools that we've got coming up. So Sandblast, I've been doing some tuning on that. It's now kind of wall mounted. We've got our parts washer over there. Down here we've got our timer light that you've seen in a few videos, but we've got a full review of that coming up. Something else Tool Pro. Don't know if I've actually really shown you the new compressor. The new compressor's there, that's the super cheap one. And I've got a couple of spray guns that we'll be spraying junk with. I've got the other sandblaster, which is kind of outside the cabinet. We've mentioned this one. I haven't done the review yet for this. Been too busy enjoying using it. This is a Tool Pro little 1/2 inch impact. And over here we've got lots of super cheap paints and primers and all sorts that will be put to good use. Fine tuning the sandblaster on these motorbike clutches. A friend at work, he's got a drag bike, and he got me to sandblast a load of the clutches for him. It's been really good to help kind of tune in the sandblaster. There's an orbital sander, a Blackridge one, it's a super cheap auto one. I've been giving that a retest as well. Have a quick look inside the old ute there. You see I've taken the interior out. You've got a bit of a flintstone floor going on there, some welding required. But yeah, things are happening all over the place slowly. Not as quickly as I would have liked, but it's summer, spending time with the family. It's just how it goes. Quite happy doing that. And probably have some more jet boat videos coming up too. Heaps of stuff coming up, but just haven't had time to stick it all together. Plus technical issues with this GoPro. Anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you for the next one. And thanks, Igor. Merry Christmas. Cheers.